Hi, welcome to Sarah's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share a very quick and easy button mushroom fry. It goes very well with flavored rice and chapati. Let's see how to do it. Heat the pan. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. When oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. When mustard seeds splatters, add finely chopped 3 medium-sized onions. Add little bit of salt to cook the onion quickly. Saute for few minutes. Now the onion has changed its color. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and saute for few more minutes. Now the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste completely goes out. Time to add the masala powders. Add 4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Mix it well. According to your taste, you can adjust the spice powders. Saute for 1 to 2 minutes. Add the chopped mushrooms. Mix it well. Add half a teaspoon of salt. Mix it well and cook it in low flame. Just try to coat all the masalas into the mushroom. Cover it and cook it for 5 more minutes. After 2 minutes, check. If you want, add little bit of water, you can add now. Mix it well. Close it and again cook it for 2 more minutes. After 2 minutes, open and see. Now it is cooked. Just press one mushroom and see. Soft now. Check the salt and cook for few more minutes. Garnish with coriander leaves. Healthy and simple mushroom fry is ready. Try this recipe, give your comments and also subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching Sarah's Kitchen.